Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today is Tag Tuesday and I'm going to be working in my Garden of Shadows journal. If you haven't already seen the series for this journal, I'd love you to go and check that out on my channel. I'm just going to put the journal aside for the minute though and get started on explaining what I plan to do for today's tag. So I've cut out already the small tags from the ephemera sheet of the journal kit, and then I've also printed a decorative paper on two different decorative papers on one sheet of paper. And what I've done is I've drawn a circle I used a bowl, but you can use whatever you have at hand to draw a circle for this. Now this circle is roughly 20 centimeters across. My printer had a little bit of mishap with the paper, but I sort of figured I'd still use this sheet because I'm cutting away the bits that got stuck and it had a little bit of a mishap. So I'm just going to use this particular circle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a folded tag, and by folding it I'm going to end up with some pockets that I can then put my smaller tags into. So grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along. Thank you for watching this KILA Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me as I made this quick little project for Tag Tuesday to add to my Garden of Shadows journal. Please make sure that you check the description down below for a link to my Etsy store where you can find the Garden of Shadows range along with lots of other printables for your crafting projects. You might like to come and join my Facebook group as well. We have lots of crafting fun and I give away a stack of freebies every month. Please also make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials.